Harry Corbin!
So we move on then, don't we? After we
Tonight, you know, I thought after last night it's going to take something to top it.
Saeed Kabil!
So, Saeed Kabil then. Let's see. Unbeaten, someone's O has got to go. Here's some of the action.
Oh, big left hook.
Big knee it was. That was just he come out of the ring there.
Took himself out of the ring there with the knee.
Beautiful right hand and left hook, down he goes!
Wow.
And Saeed Kabil is zero chill. He just comes out and took him complete out.
That was a heavy knockout.
It was just superb. It was just clinical. It was absolutely devastating. And he burst out the blocks with combinations that had KO written all over them. Moroccan Magic sprinkled here.
And
then a right hand, Moroccan Magic gets sprinkled here. Moroccan Magic. They just have something with him than this inner dog.
Just 19 seconds into round number 1. Your winner by way of massive knockout, Saeed Kabil!
Saeed, zero chill.